In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pause your Shopify store. Now, this is very easy and quick. All you have to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. I'm going to do that right now. Now, the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. And before we do anything, just keep in mind that when you are pausing your store, as you can see, Shopify itself said here, when your store is paused, you can't use online store checkout, discounts, like checkout, recovery, gift cards, third party such as Facebook and Google to publish your products. You can send draft order invoices, but customers won't be able to complete the checkout process, and draft orders can't be converted to live orders. Now, if you want to do that, guys, you have, as you can see, steps to pause your store is to click on deactivate store, pause and build plan. From your Shopify admin, go to settings, click on plan. As you can see, you have to go to settings and click on plan. And next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on deactivate store. So for me, it says for me here deactivate trial because I am still using the free trial, but for you it will see the deactivate store or close store or deactivate subscription, something like that. Click on that and it will give you a few different options, and you have to click on pause and build plan. Okay, now carefully remove the plan details and then click switch to pause and build. Your store will be paused and running for a reduced subscription fee. If you want to start selling a product again, you can reopen your store by any time by choosing a new plan. So if you want to open it again, you have to choose a new plan, come back to this and then click on choose plan here, and then you can just make your store run again. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.